Hi, I'm Chef Eric Crowley and I own the Culinary Classroom. Like you, I'm always looking for quick ways to get a lot of flavor in my meals. I find that using herbs and spices really broadens your horizons in the kitchen. And a good example of that is my Sizzle Ginger Lemongrass Butter. I'm going to show you how to make this right now. For my Sizzle Ginger Lemongrass Butter, I am going to, of course, need butter, about 2 sticks of it, 8 ounces total. Get that butter out of the refrigerator for a good 30 minutes before you're ready to use it. When you squeeze it, it should give very, very easily. I'm also going to need some lemongrass, really finely grated on a microplane grater, a wonderful tool for that job. Some grated ginger, you could use the same grater for that task. It's fantastic. Last but not least, my Sizzle Spice Blend. Take all those ingredients, put them into the bowl with the butter, stir it all up with a wooden spoon. You could even use a handheld mixer if you want. And then, don't forget to taste it. You may want to add in some salt. You may want to put in a little bit more grated ginger, or for me, put in some more Sizzle Spice Blend. And then it's ready to store. A nice piece of parchment paper like this log of butter will keep in the freezer for 6 months. A nice cool jar like this in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks. Put this onto a piece of grilled chicken right when it comes off the grill, stir it into some Asian noodles or your next batch of stir-fried tangerine chicken, and you're going to be blown away. And here we are, a piece of grilled chicken with my Sizzle Ginger Lemongrass Butter. The aroma is absolutely intoxicating. Thank you for watching my video. Follow my social media platforms for other tips and tricks. And don't forget to spice it up.